Now, how was demo day?
It was alright, you know, very informational. A lot of good tips on how to put together demos, so I really liked it.
Cool.
Yeah, Brian was a great instructor, you know.
Demo day was actually really good. Got some really good tips, really good insight. Brian was a fantastic, I guess, instructor or person to talk to and, you know, bounce some ideas also. So
demo day was good. I got a good insight. I got learned a lot. I know how to tighten up my demo much more, so that's good.
Man, it was awesome. I appreciate all the knowledge that he gave us, and I'm gonna take that and get a job with it. To be quite honest, it was pretty awesome though. It was.
Will you be back for the next one?
Yes.
Oh yeah, most definitely. I'll be back for the next one. Can't wait for the video.
I shall be back whenever we have the next one.
I will be. Definitely.